I've just taken lead and straight into a dead end. So I'm out with Barry and Chris today. We're in Enfield State Park doing a bit of exploring. It is freezing at the moment. Cowbird, what are you, water hen? Oh, they're a pain in the ass, those things. They wait till the last second, then make a run for it. I've just picked a couple of spots on the map. If I see a track going into the bush there, I'm going to take it and I'll let the map sort it out. Now, is that a track or is that a... That is a track. Sorry about that. I just saw a track and thought I'll take it.
I do that to Chris all the time.
Holy shit. The fuck? Wow. Oh no, let's get back out of here. That is Field Day Hill. This is Orchid track. It's quite sandy. It's a bit deceiving. It's gravel and sand. You don't know what's going on. It's getting a bit rough. Nice little whoopie-doos. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh. Oh, fucking hell. Should have stopped and checked that one. We might just have a quick look at that. Just stick to this right, I reckon. Oh, warmed up now. Oh, I just noticed it off.
Yeah, I seen it come up back there. We've been picking up the stuff on the way. Chris has got your...
Got me. Yep. What about the cap? Did he find that?
Yeah, I saw the cap come off your bike.
Thank you. I was just walking down now. I thought, oh shit, that cap's come off. Oh man. I used to have a latch on it. I don't anymore. Yeah, that's it. That's all was in there. Yeah. Oh, pretty big. Yeah, it's doable. It's dry, but I've walked up halfway. Yeah, righto. Righto. So that track was just nice, pretty rough track, but not steep. And then all of a sudden, we've hit this big monster. I'm actually going to back down, hit the right hand side of that. Yeah. That's it, in the rut, go, 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 go. Up we go. Oh, we're going to the left side. Oh shit! Oh fuck! No, I nearly took out Barry. I went off to the side. He's g'day. You get a nice close up. I thought I was going to take you out. Yeah, that was not intentional. I lost it. I was just shot across. Yeah, Barry's camera wasn't on. He would have got some good footage there because I just about ran into him. I lost control halfway up and shot off to the side. Oh, we got more hills. Bloody hell. Oh no, let's get my shit together. Oh shit, didn't want to go in there. We're all good. Keeps going. Nice. Here comes Barry. Whoop. Oh shit. Maybe. Yeah, we're not looking too bad. Go a bit more. This is going to go down a big gully, isn't it? Oh yeah, you can see the creek at the bottom at least. How steep are we? Yeah, we're alright. Oh fuck, maybe. Get that back under control. That is the creek right there. That's it. Fuck. Right, yeah, so I got us into a bit of a mess. I went down a hill I probably shouldn't have, knowing there was going to be another hill the other way. So that one's way too rocky, so we're going back the way we came. Right, yeah, up we go. Go, go, go. Bit of a rock ledge. There we go. Whoa! Piece of piss. Oh, fucking hell. Oh no, that wasn't that bad actually. Not as bad as I thought. Now, what's down here? Looks like guardrail's been knocked out. There's a big hole in the road. Rightio, what have I gotten this into now? Who knows? Where is the track? Is this it? It is. Was there. Okay. Guys are still following me, thinking what the hell? So we're heading for Jubilee mine site now. Barry's taking the lead again. Chris in the middle. I'm at the back copping the dust. See some water. Oh, rightio. Not exactly sure what this. Not exactly sure where we are, but it's quite pretty. Oh, okay, I think we might be there. Jubilee. Yeah, we come through that road this morning. A dry old creek bed. It'd be cool to see it flowing though. So yeah, we would have come up here this morning. We would have turned off somewhere along here. Oh. Yeah, no worries.
Split the difference.
Yeah, no worries. Oh, bloody hell. More often on the... Surprised that doesn't happen more often on these narrow roads. There's not much room to pass each other. You come around a blind bend. Back to sealed roads. And I think we'll make our separate ways from here. Rightio, see you next time. Another fantastic day out on the V-Strom. Really good to catch up with Barry and Chris again. Thanks a lot for inviting me along, guys. Much appreciated. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.